Alright, so the latest Ubuntu LTS is Ubuntu 24.04.2. I recommend the LTS versions as these will be supported for at least 5 years. There is a 24.10, but this will be supported for only 9 months. System requirements. Ubuntu recommends at least 4 gigs of system memory. I can tell you from experience, 4 gigs is not going to be enough. If all you have are 4 gigs, I recommend Linux Mint or Lubuntu. The process is the same. I recommend creating bootable USB drives with RUFUS. So here we have RUFUS. I have already selected my Ubuntu ISO. Click Open, and we're going to click Start. File system should be F32. Click Start. Now remember, everything on this USB drive will be erased. Make sure you have at least more than one USB. Amazon has a good deal on 3-pack of 32 gigs of a 3.0 USB drive. So we will write an ISO image recommended. Click OK. Warning, all data on the device will be destroyed, of course. This is why I recommend more than one USB drive. Click OK. Now once this is completed, you will have to reboot into your computer to select the Ubuntu USB pen drive. Now, depending on your computer, I have a Dell. So in my case, during the reboot process, I click F12. For different computers, it could be Escape, F2, and that's it. This is how you create a simple bootable Ubuntu or Linux Mint or something else, a bootable USB drive in Windows using free software.